She was good too.
And then they sang, oh no, look, got a guy on the wing.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's good. But Amazing Grace was probably one of my favourites to sing last night.
Yeah.
It's got such a huge voice, man. It's amazing.
And they sang, what is it called?
Purple Rain. Oh, nice hat! I'll see you there.
Alright. Oh, did Hitawa go too?
Yeah.
Oh. Wai Māori e koe Hitawa.
One of the cousins, Hitawa. Me and Pete got told to sit down. So we started dancing to Erica. The grumpy old ladies behind us. Sit down, please. Why, it's a concert.
Yeah. That's why, the Regent.
Yeah,
it's not really
a great venue,
not for
it's
a concert.
It's a real sit-down venue, you know. And Erica got everyone up and dancing. She did a whole lot of pop songs, you know, kind of top 10 hits. Nice, Cookie! Run, Cookie!